Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa James desu. And this might just be your dream house in the Japanese countryside. So how about we go inside and take a look? Let's go. Here is something you are absolutely going to love. A traditional Japanese feature in this traditional Japanese living space. And these are in fact a lot stronger than you would... Now these paper sliding window doors are in fact a lot stronger than you would expect. You can even gently caress them as long as you don't push... Here we have the traditional Japanese toilet. Let's check it out. As you can see here, a special toilet just for the boys of the house. A urinal. No need to flush. No running water or tap for this one, so I guess the missus will have to give that a good scrub every once in a while, right? And in here, we have the traditional Japanese squat toilet. It may not look like much, but it's the original porcelain work from over 75 years ago, and it stood up to the test of time. I know what you might be thinking, but actually the squatting position is the preferred way to go number 2 if you want to help your bowel movement. Also, there's no need to flush. Everything just goes straight down the hole. Oh yeah, check out this beauty. Let's jump inside for a quick soak. Couldn't you just imagine yourself lathering, soaking, scrubbing your stinky pits in this amazing metal tub? Look, there's even a convenient shower head, so you can shower at the same time as bathe. Shh, I want to show you one of my favourite hidden features in this traditional Japanese dream house we have here. Come take a look. Just there. You have an inbuilt cooling system. You can't argue with that, can you? I know what you're thinking. It's beautiful, right? This old traditional Japanese tatami floor. Very comfortable, easy to keep clean. And did you know that most people in Japan don't even sleep in beds? They just lie straight on the tatami floor and enjoy the beautiful softness of this straw mat underneath their skin. And here we have another traditional Japanese feature of the house. Beautiful sliding doors. As you can see, they are in need of slight repair, but I think just a bit of tape and a bit of hard work, you can have them looking right as rain. Yeah. Oh, hi there. Remember how I told you this is a house in the amazing Japanese countryside? Well, let's take a look at the view from the window. Right, this property even comes with its own garden space. Let's head round the back of the house and see the backyard that comes free with this property. Now, the first thing you'll notice is it's an easy access, slim corridor to come into your back garden. And here's the garden itself. Now, I know what you're thinking, not much room for playing, but think of the low maintenance. No grass to cut, no hedges to trim. I know, right? Mind blown. unbelievable opportunity. If you would like to own the home of your dreams, no. If you would like to fulfill your dreams of owning a home in the Japanese countryside, then I am here for you. Contact me any time of day with any question, anything you need, and I will help you make your dreams come true. I look forward to hearing from you.